What's up guys? In today's video we have a new project, this Camaro, Chevrolet Camaro. We're gonna wrap this one in green. We're gonna use matte green from KPMF wrap. Okay, this one is gonna look amazing. Let's start with the project. Okay guys, we're back and today we have this project. This is a Camaro Hot Wheels edition and this one is an orange, but we're gonna wrap it in color green, matte green, so it's gonna look amazing. You can see the color is nice already in orange, but when you get tired of a color, the cool thing about wrap, you can change the color of the car. So let's start with this project. I already removed some stripes, the logo, the antenna. I already took off the antenna, so we have to disassemble this one more. Then we have to remove the side mirrors, door handles. Okay, so let's start with this project. Okay guys, the car is done. I'm tired, but let's see how the car looks with the new wrap. Let's do it. Okay guys, the car is ready. Look at this, it looks super cool. The reflection of the metallic with the sun, it's amazing. We did the wheels in black, we did the side mirrors in black, this in black, the roof in black, and also we did racing stripes. It looks super mean. Look at that. Amazing. Let me know, what do you guys think? The wheels looks better in black or just with the silver line? Let me know which one do you like the most. But in my opinion, looks better with black wheels. Look at that. Okay, so the link for everything, I'm gonna put the link for the wheel decals, racing stripe, materials. If you wanna learn how to do this, I'm gonna put the link of my training in the description of the video down below, and also how to install the stripes. I didn't put in this video, but I already have videos how to install the racing stripes, so I'm gonna put the link for that too. Okay, so any questions, put in the comments. Support the channel by liking the video and subscribing too. Share the video too, please. If you need something like this, contact me too. Everything on the description of the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.